Good morning, all of you. This is Jyoti, pupil teacher of science from Dr. Ganesh Das DAV College of Education for Women, Karnal. Today we will study about the management of water. First of all, we discuss about the management of water. What is the meaning of management of water? Water management is the activity of planning, developing, distributing and managing the water is called water management. There are several steps for managing of the water. For example, first step is the by rainwater harvesting. What is the meaning of rainwater harvesting? It is a technique of collection and storage of rainwater. It's called rainwater harvesting. So after doing rainwater harvesting, we can use rainwater in irrigation, washing and cleaning purpose, and this can save a lot of the water. Second is the by new irrigation technique. As we all know, in irrigation process there is a lot of the water is consumed. So today we have to need some new techniques by which we can save our a lot of the water. And we should use these techniques like sprinkle drip method of irrigation so that we can save our water. So by this technique like sprinkle and drip method we can save a lot of the water. Third is the by stopping the unnecessary cutting of tree. As we all know, trees play a vital role in bringing the rainfall on the earth. So by stopping the unnecessary cutting of tree, we can save our water or we can manage the water. Fourth is broken and leaking pipes should be immediately replaced or repaired. Through the broken and leaking pipe, a lot of the water is wasted, which have no use. So we have to immediately replace or repair this pipe so that the water can be saved. Fifth step is the water the plants with mug as compared to pipe, because if we watering the plants with the help of pipe, then a lot of the water is consumed. So we have to waters in the plants with the help of the mug so that mostly water can save. Six is the wastewater management. What is the wastewater? Wastewater is that water that has been contaminated by human use. It's called the wastewater. With the help of the wastewater management, we also can save a lot of the water. We use water in our daily life for various purposes like washing, cleaning, bathing, and in toilets. All these activities produce a lot of water which is dirty and contains many impurities. This water is called wastewater. We can purify this water in water treatment plant and can be used then various purposes. What is the water treatment? Wastewater treatment. Wastewater treatment is a process used to remove contaminants from wastewater or sewage, and then we get clean or clear water which can be used for many purposes. In this video, whole process of wastewater treatment is shown. Let's see this video and understand the whole process of water treatment.
Stages. Wastewater is treated to remove the physical, chemical, and biological contaminants present in it through various processes. The pre-treatment process involves the sewage being sent through grids or vertical bars that can remove large solid substances like metal cans, paper, and plastic materials. In primary treatment process, the sewage flows through the grit chamber very slowly, so that the sand, pebbles, and soil settle down at the bottom. The sewage flows into the settling tank or sedimentation tank, where the solid wastes like feces are allowed to settle down. Wastes such as soaps, oils, and grease rise to the top of the wastewater. The waste material that settles down at the bottom is called the sludge, and the floatable material is called the scum. Scum is then removed using a skimmer, and sludge is removed with a scraper every few days. The water that is left out is called the clarified water. In the secondary treatment process, biological or organic wastes are removed. It is a biological process. This is done by transferring the clarified water into an aeration tank, where air blowers bubble air, which helps the aerobic bacteria to grow and feed on the organic contaminants such as food waste, feces, and other organisms. The mixture then flows from the aeration tank into the clarifier, where activated sludge settles out by gravity. The activated sludge so produced, along with the sludge produced in the primary process, is transferred to the digester, where it is decomposed by anaerobic bacteria. Biogas is produced in this process, which can be used as fuel or can be used to produce electricity. The activated sludge is then left in the sand drying beds. Some quantity of water in the activated sludge evaporates, and the remaining quantity drains through the sand beds. This leaves behind the remaining dried sludge, which can be used for making fertilizers or compost. In the tertiary treatment process, the leftover wastewater is treated with chlorine to remove the phosphorus compounds, nitrogen compounds, and bacteria. It is a chemical process. Chlorine tablets are added to kill the germs. This process is called chlorination. Then this water is let off into the water bodies.
In this video, we have been understand the whole process of wastewater treatment. Now, what is our role in managing the water? We can play active role in the management of water. We should take following steps to save our water. First step is we should reduce the quantity of wastewater produced in our houses, and in this way we can save a lot of the water. Second is don't throw the solid like plastics, cottons, leftover foods in the drains of the water, because this can choke the drains of water. Third is don't throw the cooking oils in the drains, because the cooking oils hurts and block the pipes of the sewerage system. Fourth is don't throw the chemicals like paints, oil, engine, etc. in the drains. These chemicals kill the microorganisms present in the sewage, which are very helpful in treatment of the water. This our chapter has been completed. Now you all tell me about this question. First is what is the benefits of rainwater harvesting? After rainwater harvesting, we can use this water for a numbers of the purpose like washing, cleaning, irrigation, etc. Name the method of irrigation that are suitable for management of water. For example, the answer of this question like sprinkle and drip method of irrigation that are suitable for management of the water. Next is what is the wastewater? Wastewater is that water that has been contaminated by human use is called wastewater. Fourth is what is the benefits of wastewater treatment? After the wastewater treatment, we get a clean waters, and we can use this clean water for a large number of the purposes. This is your homework. First question, write the 5 suggestions to save the water. You can write any 5 suggestions according to your choice to save the water. Second is explain the wastewater treatment. You can write the answer of this question in your own words. that you have understand from the video of wastewater treatment, you can write in this question. This is your homework. You have to do answer of these questions on your notebook. Thank you and have a nice day.